So next type is very important. Let A be a sum matrix one, 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 one minus one, again minus one, and 3, 1 and 1. So what is the statement of question? So statement of question is find P and Q. So find P and Q matrix, find P and Q matrix such that P A Q is in the normal form, which is in the normal form. Also determine the rank of A and determine the rank of A. So this is very important type. Now, so in this type, first I write this A can be written as I, this I, A, which can be written as I, A and I. So this matrix we can write it as A, I is identity matrix, and again this I is identity matrix of order 3. Now we know that, or remember that, every row operation of the product can be affected by subjecting the prefactor of A. So row operation will affect this matrix and column operation will reflect this matrix. So remember that when we apply row operation, it will affect this matrix I, and when we will operate column operation, then it will affect this matrix I. So remember this. Now just write here, so what is A? So here we can write it as 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 1 minus 1 and 3, 1, 1. So this is A. And second is I. So this is a 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 into A, and this is again I, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0 and 0, 0, 1. So just understand very carefully. Now my purpose is to convert this matrix into identity matrix. So first purpose is to convert this as 0 and then this will 0. After that this will 0. So if that will be happened only by row operations. So that row operation will affect only this matrix. So it does not affect this matrix, it only affect this matrix. For example, now we apply this operation R2, which is R2 minus R1 first operation, and R3 that is R3 minus 3R1. So this matrix, first matrix, so this will be first row same 1 1 and 1, then the next row this minus this, so this is 0, this is minus 2, and again this is minus 2. Now from this is minus 3, again 0, so 1 minus 3 minus 2, again 1 minus 3, again minus 2, which is equal to, so remember, now this will be fixed, there will be no change in this matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, but row operation affect this matrix. So first apply first term, that is a 1, so here it is 0, so 1 0 0, no problem. And second is R2 minus R1, R2 minus R1, so this is minus 1 1 and 0. And third is R3 minus 3R1, so this will be minus 3 0 and 1. So it affect the row operation, affect the pre-multiplying identity matrix. Now in order to simplify this, we can multiply by 1 minus 1 by 2, again it is multiply by minus 1 by 2, or we directly go to make it 0. So just R3, which is operated as R3 minus R2. So again it will affect on the first part, and this will be equal to 1 1 1, no change. So this is 0 minus 2 minus 2, and this is 0 0 and 0. So this operation, it will affect on this matrix. So this matrix will be same 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Now what is this matrix? Now operate, first row will be 1 0 0 and second row 1 0 0, first row. After that this is a second is R2 is again same, which is 0 minus 1 1 0, and third is R3, subtract this term, so minus 3 plus 1 minus 2, 0 minus 1, so this is minus 1, again it is 1. So that is converted into this way. After that, in order to make it 1, so just again we apply the row operation. This is from R2, which is converted as minus 1 by 2 into R2. So this will become a, this is first 1 1 1 0 1 1 and 0 0 0. Now this will be, again it affect this matrix. So first will be 1 0 0, and then it is minus 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, this is 0, again this term is minus 2 minus 1 and 1, so only affect second row. So this is A, and this matrix is 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. So this will now we will apply the column operation, because all row operations that is required are completed. So in order to apply column operation, so this term and this term must be 0. So to make it 0, so C2 operated as C2 minus C1. Similarly, C3, which is again operated as C3 minus C1. So this will we get this result. Now from this, if we take this values, so first row 1 0 0, now this will be 0, this will be 0, and this is 1 1 0 and 0. Now here this matrix will not change. 1 0 0 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 0, then minus 2 minus 1 and 1. So this is a matrix. Now column operation will affect the post multiplying matrix. So this is a C3 minus C2 minus C1. So first column should be same, 1 0 0, then it subtract to this. So this is minus 1 1 and 0. Again this affect this, minus 1 0 and 1. Now my purpose is to make it 0. So to make it 0, so this will convert this into this. So it will be of this kind. So this is a equivalent to C3 minus C2. This is at the place of third row. So this will be 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 and 0. We get this values. So there is no effect on this matrix. So this is a 1 0 0 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 and 0 minus 2 minus 1 and 1. This is A, and here it will affect C3 minus C2. So at the place of C3 minus C2. So first is same 1 0 0, second is same minus 1 1 and 0. Now C3 minus C2, so this will be 0, it will be minus 1 and this will be 1. So we get this matrix. So here we clearly see that the left hand side is converted into this form, which is I2. I2 means identity matrix of rank 2. So this is equal to, this is a P matrix, and this is a matrix, and this is a Q matrix. So what we get? We get 1 0 0 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 0 minus 2 minus 1 and 1. So 1 minus 1 and 0 0 1 minus 1, and here it is 0 0 and 1. So we write it as this matrix as P, and this matrix is A, and this matrix is Q. So from this we find the P and Q matrix, which PAQ is in the normal form, and clearly the rank of this matrix is 2 and rank of A is 2. So we find P and Q. So first matrix is P and second matrix is Q. So from this, where what is P? So P is a matrix 1 0 0 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 0 minus 2 minus 1 and 1, and second Q, which is 1 minus 1 0 0 1 minus 1 0 0 and 1. So this is P and Q matrix. After that, rank of A matrix, which is equal to 2, because it convert into identity matrix of order 2. So the rank of is equal to 2. So this type is very important. Similarly, we can also do the same question of different kind. So for example, find the P and Q. Now here the matrix A is given for next question. So which is equal to this values 1 minus 1, then 2 and minus 1. This is first row. Second row 4 2 4 2 minus 1 and 2, and third is 2 2 and again minus 2 and 0. So statement of the question is find matrix P and Q such that PAQ is in normal form where A is matrix this. So this is very important question. So my aim is again, as per previous question, to find the A and B. Now here it is 3 by 4 matrix. So there is some shifting of so we can write it as I. So this is I3. So identity matrix of 3 into identity matrix of 4 order into A and into identity matrix of 4 order. So simply we can easily write it as I3 into A into I4. So this statement can be written as A, which is equal to I3 into A into I4, because it is 3 by 4 order. So we can multiply in this way, otherwise we will not get the result. Now from this, if we are at this place, now this can be written as, from this is a matrix A. So this matrix can be written as, if this is of this kind, this is A matrix, 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 4 2 minus 1 and 2, third is 2 2 minus 2 and 0. This is equal to I3. So what is I3? 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 is this, and next is 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. So this values. Now again my purpose is to convert left hand side into normal form. So when we will apply row operation, so it will affect the first matrix. When we will apply column operation, it will affect the post identity matrix. Now this is R2 which is equal to R2 minus 4R1 and R3 which is equal to R3 minus 2R1. So in order to make this two term 0, so in order to make this and this 0, so this will be 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1, so this will be 0. Now multiply by minus 4 and then add, so this will be minus 2, minus 8, this minus 9, 4 plus 2, 6, multiply by 2, minus 2, so this is 2 plus 2, 4, minus 4, minus 2, minus 6, then minus 2 which is 2 plus 0, so this is 2. Now because we apply in the first step row operation, so just that will affect the first matrix. So second matrix will be same 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. So effect will be on this matrix, So first I apply the R2 minus 4R1. So first row will be same. Now minus 4R1. So this will be minus 4 1 0 and here it is minus 2 0 1. So applying the R3 minus 2R1. Now this term should be 1 and this term should be 0. So we can directly do it as this is again R3 plus 2R2. So this is at the place R3. So first we apply this. First is 1 minus 1 2 minus 1. So 0 minus 2 minus 9 6. So this is 0 0 minus so if we multiply by this is a plus 2. So this will be 0 plus 2 minus 18 and this is minus 18 and minus 6. So minus 24, remember. So this is 12 plus 2 14. So this will be 14. So again this matrix will affect the first matrix, second will be the same. There will be no effect on this matrix. So just first I write this matrix and then I will operate the row operation at this place. So this is R3 plus 2R1. So first is same 1 0 0, second is same minus 4 1 0, third is R3 plus 2R1. So this is a minus 8 minus 8 minus 2 minus 10. So this is 2 plus 0 2 and here it is 1. So multiply by 2 then add to row R3. Now this term should be 1. So if this term should be 1, so we multiply R2, which is treated as minus R1 by 2 into R2. So this will become 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1, and this term is 0, 1, 9 by 2 into 3, and this will be 0, 0, and also we can divide this by 2. So R3, which is again divided by 1 by 2 R3. So this will become 0, then it will be minus 12 and 7. Now again it affect the first matrix, second matrix will be same. So this is a 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. Now it affect on this. So first is same 1 0 0, then multiply by minus 1 by 2, so it will be 2, minus 1 by 2 and 0. So this is multiplied by 1 by 2, so this will be minus 5, 1 and 1 by 2. So we get this matrix. Now it should be 1. So this term will be 1 if we divide it as minus 1 by 12. So we simply operate here, it is a minus 1 by 24. So just we operate in this way, minus 1 by 24. So if we operate minus 1 by 24, so we get this term 1, and this term is 1, and this term is 14 by 24. So this is a minus 7 by 12. So this values. Now again this is multiply by minus, so this will be 10 by, so I repeat it again. So if we multiply by this minus 1 by 20 by, so 10 by 24, 5 by 12. So this is 2 by 24. So this is minus 1 by 12, and this is minus 1 by 24. So now this will be diagonal entries are equal to 1. Now these terms should be 0. In order to make these terms 0, so I apply column operation. So column operation affect the last. So this is a C2, which is equal to C2 plus C1. First operation, C3, which is a C3 minus 2 1, C4, which is a C4 plus C1. So this is a column operation required 1 0 0 0 0 0, and this is a first column. Now second column is adding this, so this is a 1 0, no problem. Again second column, so 9 by 2 1, and this is 3 minus 7 by 12. so minus 7 by 12. So this will be now same, it will not affect this matrix, so it will column operation affect this matrix. So this will be same 1 0 0 2 minus 1 by 2 and 0 5 by 12 minus 1 by 12 minus 1 by 24. So this value are now from this first C1 is same, which is 1 0 0 0, and second is 1 0 0, and that is just addition, so here I get 1. And next is minus 2 1, so here it is minus 2 0 1 0, and third is adding C1 and C4, so 1 0 0 1. Now this term, now my next step is to make it 0 and to make it 0. So to make it 0, I apply C3, which is equal to C3 minus 9 by 2 into C2. Similarly, C4, which is equal to C4 minus 3C1, C2, 3C2. So this matrix will become 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 and minus 7 by 12. So this will equal to no effect on this matrix. So this is 1 0 0 2 minus 1 by 2 0 5 by 12 minus 1 by 12 and minus 1 by 24, and this is A matrix. Now column operation affect on this matrix. So if it affect on this matrix, so first C3 is 1 0 0 0, and then C2 is again same 1 1 0 0, this values. Now C3 is C3 minus 9 by 2 into C2, so this is minus 2 minus 9 by 2, first term, and then 0 minus 9 by 2, so this is minus 9 by 2, again 1 minus 0 1 and 0. After that C4 minus 3 C2, so 1 minus 3, this is a minus 2, 0 minus 3, this is a minus 3 and 0, then 1. So simplify this, this is minus 4 and 9, minus 13 by 2. So just simplify, when we simplify this term, so this is minus 13 by 2. So just write here minus 13 by 2. Now for next step, my aim to make it 0. So this will be, so apply operation C4, which is C4 plus 7 by 12 into C3. So what we get? We get 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0, here 0 0 1. sorry, this is 1 and 0. So there are only 3 by 4 rows. So this is does not contained in this matrix. Now this will equal to, there is no effect on this matrix. So this will be 1 0 0 2 minus 1 by 2 and 0 5 by 12 minus 1 by 12 minus 1 by 24 into A matrix. So this will be equal to, now here we apply operation C4 plus 7 by 12 into C3. So first 1 0 0 0, first row column, second column 1 1 0 0, and third column, which is minus 13 by 2 minus 9 by 2 1 and 0. Fourth column is C4 and 7 by 12 into this terms. This should be multiplied by 7 by 12. So just I write here. So this is equal to C4. So this term will be, I just now what is C4? This is minus 2 plus minus 7 into 13 over 2 into 12. So first similarly minus 3, similarly 0, similarly 1. So next is minus 9 into 7 over 2 into 12, and third is 0 minus 7 by 12, 0 minus 7 by 12, and fourth is 1 minus 0. So these are the 4 entries. Now this term and this term, which is minus 7 by 12, and this term, which is 1 minus 0. So simplify, we get, so on simplification, so what we get from this, I get 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0. So this is a normal form. So this value is a norm form. So here it is identity matrix and this is a 0 matrix. So remember. And second is this, which is a P matrix. So what is P matrix? First is 1 0 0 and second is minus 2 by, this is minus 2, this is 2 minus 1 by 2 0, and again 5 by 12 minus 1 by 12 minus 1 by 24, and this matrix A, and again write this matrix. On simplify, we get this values. So this will be P matrix, this will be Q, and this value will be I3 into this 0. So in this way we can find the P and Q in this form, and similarly the rank of A matrix is equal to 3.